Hello everybody, Tango Sierra 01 Chef back again with more gameplay. This weekend we went over to Doomsday Airsoft in Kent and it was Batman's birthday. Not only was it Batman's birthday, but it was also Dan from Doomsday's birthday also, and there was a very special game at the end of the day. Now the first game was all about capture the flag. There was a flag placed in the middle of the field. We had to get that flag, take it to the enemy's base, and they had to do the same. Now what you're going to notice is that Gwen decided to screw that up and score an own goal, giving the win to the opposition. He was rightfully punished for it. Oh! Flag's just over there.
Cool.
Just see it.
Cool, thank you. So if I can go rob it. Ouch. Sorry mate. Well, it's your birthday. Got it! Got it! Got it! Got it! Got it! Got it! Guys, flag's just over there somewhere. I just see it. It's alright, I got him, Ben. I got them both.
But you see the guy that I'm on?
Yeah. I just got them both. No! Fucking well done, dumbass!
Oh shit! Alright, I'll take that.
We have an own goal.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, Mary's just run it into the jail.
You found someone?
Yeah, down there. Fucking mate, I've been getting like loads of things just sitting here.
They're all in that building in the middle. We need to push through there. Where's the flag?
Just up there. Just up there.
I could go and get it.
But they're in this building over here, the other side of the med centre. I've got two in front of me. I don't know if they're dead though.
Well, gunfire going over here.
Yeah.
Oh, let me take the med centre.
Yeah.
Just hold the med centre, yes.
Hold the med centre, we've got a nice checkpoint in the middle, we have a spot on them, pushing.
Where did Rob go?
They're in the check. They're in there. They're in there. They're in there. They're in there. Running away. Running away. Using a dead player as a shield.
Oh, thanks.
I'll go back to respawn.
No, I'm hidden here.
One for you. One for you.
I got from a little bit quick.
Alright.
Mate, I don't want to shoot you this close. No worries, pal. Thanks, mate.
Okay, so the next game was a two-parter. Each side, one side of the other of lunch. It was a downed pilot game, and there was also a briefcase of intel in there as well. And this would come in handy for the second half of the game.
They're red, didn't they?
Yep.
Oh, hit! I don't know where that come from. What you got, Rob? What you got? Yeah, I think they've got him.
Yeah, there.
I can't see anything. Oh, hit! He's down. I've just crept right round the right hand side. I'm level with the prison. Everybody needs to push forward en masse right through the middle.
No. It's a solid wheel.
Oh, sorry! Sorry. Man, I felt fucking terrible. No, he's just got to go and get the intel. He's told us where it is.
Go and get it and I'll...
No, I feel terrible.
So having had lunch and we swapped sides onto the armbanded side, some players wanted to have a little swap around, so we did. We then had to defend the spots that were indicated on the intel that was gathered in the first half of the game. This was on a highly technical laptop, as you've seen. So let's see how we did there.
We're going straight forward. Oh, John. Hello.
Bad idea. Oh, the metal one's better.
Ah. Well, at least it did something.
Got a bit weak and stale, isn't
It has. I think they're all trying to attack the CQB. Oh, hit!
Oh!
Maybe they're not.
Sneaky!
Maybe they're not.
Sneaky! 7, 8, 9, 10. There we are.
Lovely.
Is that game over?
And the final game was a birthday game. Ben chose Rob as his compatriot. Dan chose Gwen as his compatriot. The two teams started either ends of the field and the rest of us were in the middle. They had to shoot us, we would join their team, and it was the person with the most players on their team was to win. If they got hit, they had to spin around like ballerinas. Let's see how they got on with that.
Fuck a duck! Came straight from my right. That was a sniper or a John. Fuck me, that hurt. Spinning! Spinning like an umpty! Spinning like an umpty! Oh, hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm getting dizzy. 7, 8, 9. Fuck's sake. Oh. Hit! Yow, that hurt. I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Ah, hit.
Come to me. Come on, John.
Yeah, we've been surrounded, man. I'm so dizzy.
I'm already in the fucking team.
I know, but I just thought I'd shoot you anyway.
We have control of the police station.
Robert, I have bad news.
So a very dizzy end to that game for the majority of the players there. We had a fantastic day at Doomsday Airsoft. It is a brilliant site over in Kent. Get over there, have a look. It is well worth it.